Welcome to CR 2024.
So delicious, and this is one of the best vodka.
This is the wine from the France, Bordeaux area. This is from Vienna, Austria.
जो है फूड एंड बेवरेजेस का न्यू इनोवेशन। आप यहाँ इजीली बाय मेट्रो भी आ सकते हैं एंड चाहे तो बाय कैब से भी। आपका नियरेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन पड़ेगा यशोभूमि द्वारका सेक्टर 25 एंड ये हो रहा है हॉल नंबर 1 में। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे जो 5 तारीख को ये लोग गेस्ट आए थे एंड 6th को ये एंड 7th को ये आएंगे। ये जो एक्सपो है सबसे बड़ा एक्सपो होता है इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड यहाँ पे आप चाहे तो अपना रिटेल बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं। एंड आपको मैं अंदर लेके जाऊँगी और दिखाऊँगी यहाँ पे क्या इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स आए हैं और क्या प्रोडक्ट्स आज लोग शोकेस कर रहे हैं। और जैसे कि कस्टमर्स आते हैं यहाँ पे, वो चाहे तो यहाँ पे बाय भी कर सकते हैं बट उनकी वेबसाइट से और दिए गए कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर से। ये जब मेरे पीछे देख रहे हो यहाँ का रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंटर है। आप चाहे तो रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन भी करा सकते हैं, ऑफलाइन भी करा सकते हैं। यहाँ जब मेरे पीछे काउंटर देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे आप इजीली ऑफलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हैं। इस साइड जो आप देख रहे हो मेरे राइट हैंड साइड पे, यहाँ आप स्कैन करेंगे, अंदर रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा सकते हैं। वहाँ से आपका कार्ड निकल जाएगा और आप ईजिली वहाँ से एंट्री ले सकते हैं। Now we are at the Sphinx booths and now we are going to see what products these guys have and the categories of products these people have. Let's go. Introduce yourself.
My name is Veenu. I am representing Sphinx Trading Company, which is locally representing these wines and different kind of mixers and the products, food products and the drinks.
And what are these products?
These are the wines from Austria, Vienna. So these are white wines. These are red and white wines. And these are various kind of sakes and drinks available from Japan. He is the one who will be telling you about the Japanese product.
Correct.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Yatsuhashi. I'm from the Nagano, Japan, and it's the first time to come to India, this trade show, and
How's the experience?
yes, it's very. I got a lot of the good feedback from the buyers, and actually this morning, you see this one, the UNESCO add the Japanese sake to the world, the intangible world heritage, cultural heritage. So it was very good timing, and a lot of buyers asking me about the Japanese sake. So it was very good show. Yeah.
That's great. So what are these products?
Okay, this is the Japanese sake wine, rice wine from the Nagano Prefecture in Japan.
What are the specifications of these?
Okay, we have 3 types of sake. The one is a traditional regular sake here. And the one is a sparkling sake, this one. And the other type, the last one, will be the fruity, the sweeter, the sake, this type, like apple and like a plum. Yeah.
These are the types of
Yes, yeah. And this is the non-alcohol sake.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Now we are at the Neva vodka and we are going to see what flavor of vodka these people have and what are the formations of vodka. Let's go. Hello, sir.
Hello.
ma'am. How are you?
Fine.
Sir, please introduce yourself and YouTube.
My name is Manish. I am a translator of company Neva. Her name is Baltaiva Sakina, and he is a director of this company, brand Neva.
And sir, what are the new launches today?
Что мы сегодня пускали? We are actually introduced the vodka Neva here.
And what are the flavors in it?
Какие виды водки?
У нас в линейке водки Нева есть классик, платинум и коллекция Four Seasons.
We have classic, platinum, and collection of Four Seasons.
Okay, let's go. Let's see the flavors.
Yeah. You can see this is a organic vodka, and this is a gold. There is also platinum, also classic, and all the Four Seasons. You can see here. You can see also there good collection of our vodka. This one is one of the best vodka. This is a gold. This is a winter, and this is a basin. And also we have platinum and classic.
And these are the all new launches that this brand has done. Now we are going to the tasting of
Yeah. So Ma'am Sakina will be taste the vodka. I cannot. So Ma'am,
Please
please
taste.
have it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So delicious.
What is the flavor of this one?
No, this is a classic. This is a no add one, and this is a one of the original vodka
And
with
what are
no
this
add
one?
one.
What is the second
This is
flavor?
all the this all are syrups
Okay.
for the cocktails.
Okay. Thank you so much for telling us about
Welcome,
the product.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome.
अब हम Nature's Miracle के booth पे. Now we are going to explore the products that these guys have and the categories that these guys have. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you guys?
Very well, you tell us.
Please introduce yourself.
So I'm Ekta. I'm the business head for this brand called Nature's Miracle.
And you, sir?
And myself Suhail. I'm the operation head for Nature's Miracle.
What kind of products you guys have?
So we grow hydroponic vegetables. As you can see, this is our snacking range. We do a wide variety of tomatoes, cucumbers. All of them are grown in our greenhouse. And the idea is that you can just flip open these and pull them out and just have a bite. You don't need to wash them, don't do anything. This is made so that you can have healthy snacking on the go. And I'll let Suhail explain more about the fresh vegetables.
So right now we have a lot of fruit and vegetable, fresh fruit available. One of our star products is candy tomatoes. This is one of its kind in the whole India. So this was introduced back in 2005 or 6 in Europe as a healthy substitute of candies. That's why the name is candy tomato.
So, sir, can you please show us the products that you guys
Yeah.
have showcased?
So we are doing candy tomatoes. We are
Please
doing,
don't touch these, please don't touch
cherry
these.
tomatoes, two different color. In candy we have orange, green, and we have a pear-shaped candy tomato as well. Then we have cucumber. Right now we are doing three kind of a cucumber. Mini cucumber, which is around a finger size. Then we have a long cucumber. Then we have a lot of colors of bell pepper and two different kinds of zucchini. We have around 5 different kind of lettuce. Then rocket, other leafies as well.
Okay. And sir, ma'am, what are these products that have been showcased?
So what happened was, because we were selling all these lovely vegetables, we also thought, why not put these goodness into a bottle? So we started bottling all these pasta sauces. We started doing a couple of soups. We started doing some Indian gravies, as you can see. We've got some ready-to-use spreads. We've also got a tomato salsa. The idea of doing these products was that people get to eat chef-like food at home, and within minutes, Also,
Ma'am, these are the products have been showcasing here. So can we taste it, please?
yes, please. Can we please get ma'am to sample some of the products? So this is our sandwich spread. Again, all our bottle products are free of chemicals, preservatives, additives, and all of them, like you can see, most other sandwich spreads that you get in the market are very pasty, full of chemicals and preservatives, but over here you'll get a bite of the vegetables. And all the vegetables used are our own grown in-house tomatoes and peppers. So,
And what are these products?
so this is the alio olio. So this is a classic alio olio which is used to make spaghettis, pastas. You can use it as a toasty topper. We make it with 100% olive oil. It's got a lot of fresh garlic. It's got a lot of herbs. I don't know, do you feel the freshness in the product?
There's a lot of freshness and there is a lot of flavorness in it. See the categories that these people have. See this one also. Ma'am, what are these?
So this is a date sweetener. This is made with 100% dates, and the entire idea behind it is to have it as an alternate sweetener for your teas, coffees, use it for baking, use it as a spread on toasties. So, I mean,
And these are naturals also. You know, these are the alternatives of sugars. This is very healthy. You can taste. This is very delicious. And see this one also.
so this is an extra virgin olive oil which we're importing because we use a lot of olive oil in all our products. That's the reason we thought why not add it to our portfolio. If you'd like to taste, we'd request you to just pick up a piece of bread, dunk it into the oil, smell the olives, have a taste. And we don't do pommes or any other variety. We just have the extra virgin olive oil.
And ma'am, if anyone wants to buy your product, how they can buy your product?
So we're available on our website, that is naturesmiraclestore.com. We're also available across a lot of stores in Delhi NCR. La Marche is our sister brand. You can find us there. You can find us at Modern Bazaar. We're also on Blinkit and Amazon.
You're
So-
on Blinkit and Amazon
Yes,
also. Wow,
yes.
that's great.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
telling
you
us
so
about your
much.
product.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shobit and from Patanjali, and I'm looking after the quality path from Patanjali.
And sir, what are products you guys have today?
Right now, the display you can see is basically the nutraceutical products, and these are the Ayurvedic products. This particular product is also being one of the innovative products that is being awarded by SIAL. It's Weight Go. It is basically to reduce weight for the people who consume this, like overweight people can consume this and reduce their weight by using this particular product. Apart from this, we have multiple products for multiple kind of illnesses, like this is Immunogrid Quad. This is basically to boost your immunity. And we have Levogrid. This is for the betterment of your liver health. We do have a category for ladies, like this is Nari Kanti syrup. This is basically dedicated to females and the disorders that we have in females. Apart from this, we do have our Nutrella range, which is like Nutrella Daily Active, which is basically being consumed for daily activities, daily energy that is required to perform daily routine activities. We have different products in this particular range also that is being displayed in this particular counter.
Now we are at the Home Flavor Spices booth and we are going to see what kind of spices these people have and what are the categories in it. Let's go. Hi ma'am.
हेलो मैम,
How are you?
आई एम गुड।
Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
मेरा नाम मिलोनी सैन और मैं होम फ्लेवर स्पाइसेस के ओनर हूँ। और मेरे पास मैं 1 साल हो गया मैं होम फ्लेवर स्पाइसेस स्टार्टअप की हूँ और उसमें हम लोग स्पाइसेस दे रहे हैं, वैरायटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस, जिसमें कि हम लोग टर्मरिक, क्यूमिन पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, ब्लैक सॉल्ट, ब्लैक पेपर दे रहे हैं हम लोग, और गरम मसाले भी हम लोग दे रहे
मैम
हैं।
आपके पास जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं सारे स्पाइसेस हैं?
जी, सारे
आप हमें दिखा
स्पाइसेस।
सकते हैं?
जी ज़रूर। ये सर ये हमारा क्यूमिन पाउडर है, जिसमें कि हमारा प्योर है, इसमें कोई मिलावट नहीं है इसमें। साथ में हमारा ब्लैक सॉल्ट है, काला नमक जिसको हम बोला जाता है, और साथ में हमारा धनिया है, फिर हमारे काली मिर्च है, और ये हमारी हल्दी है।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, आपने हमें हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताया।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Now we are at the 24 Nuts booth. We are going to see what kind of nuts these people have and what are the categories in it. Hello sir.
Hi ma'am.
Sir, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
My name is Ravi Gar. I am the co-founder of the 24 Nuts. My company is established in Delhi branch. As of now, my company's store is available in the Modern Bazaar, Nature Basket and Limart. The all are the premium store. They have the 50 outlets in the all over India. As of now, my product main coming in the tin packaging. The shelf life of the product is a 1 year
Sir,
shelf
what
life.
kind of products do you guys have?
Mainly 12 products we have. This is a Kashmiri walnut, California almond, dried kiwi from New Zealand, chia seed from India and Turkey. This is a mixed dry fruit, 12 mixing. Anjeer from Afghanistan, cashew from Bangalore, pumpkin seed, ajwa date, pista and sunflower seed. My company mainly deal in 3 category: dry fruit, another is seeds, and the dried items, mainly apricot and the kiwi. My company main USP is that the product are coming in the tin packaging with the nitrogen flushing from the 1 year shelf life of the product. In the market, the product are coming in the plastic bag that can be react in the for a few months. But this technology can increase the shelf life of the product and customer can get a good taste and the good quality of for the product.
So you guys believe in quality over
Yes,
quantity?
yes. If you see the cashew quality, this is all ka jumbo size from the Bangalore. My company also introduced the corporate gifting. This is a gifting design. This is a hot product of the company. This is mainly used in the marriage purposes. Briefcase form. This product range belong to 2000 as per the customization.
And sir, if anyone wants to buy a product, is there any website or Instagram link?
Yes, website is available www.24nuts.com. Customer can get a easy discount and get easy product from their home.
Okay, thank you so much sir for telling
Thank
us
you.
about your
Thank
product.
you.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And ऐसे ही best business venue videos देखने के लिए stay tuned. See you in the next one.